Oh, sorry guys, I was interrupted in the last part of on the making on this video. So now we're back, and now to remove this part, it's also the carrier for the belt. So there's two screws, one here and the other one there. You have to cut the zip lines, zip ties attached to the belt here, and then just remove this out of the way. Now, I might as well change the belt because I have a steel braided one, which is a lot stronger than this, a lot stiffer than this. So yeah, let me just remove this one, which is going to be just like pulling it like that, and from the other side as well. So now I'm going to be measuring this one and cutting the new one more or less the same length, a little bit more just in case. And yeah, so stay tuned, see you in a bit. Okay, so I've replaced the belt already. This is the old one. It's really soft and well, it still works really nice, but as I'm doing all of this, I might as well change the belt as well. That one is a lot stiffer. It's just a matter of see if I can show you, just a matter of looping around that, the motor, and on the other side it's the roller here, you know, just loop it around it and that's it. So now I'm going to be removing this motor here, and yeah, then I'll be installing the new parts and show you how it all goes. I've just removed the motor, and you can see the difference on this motor and on the new one. It's as you can see, quite a lot of difference, right? Okay, this motor is still, you know, it works really well. But it's too heavy for the application that I'm going to be using now. So I'm going to just remove the bracket that I've made. This for the old setup. It was better than the stock setup, but it's not good enough for what we need to do here. So this is what it looks like with everything removed. I have just removed this plate that I've never even bothered to paint or anything. I knew this was a temporary fix, but it's been working for 6 or 7 months now, and working beautifully, you know. Just a little adjustment here with a level nut for the spacing from the plate to the Bowden tube, you know, just to adjust the motor. So now we are going to be fitting the new back plate, and I'll show you just in a minute how it looks like. So I had to remove the belt again, just to, you know, to put everything back more easily. These are 3mm screws that have to be bolted, one here to hold the belt carrier here with the inlaid 3mm nut on both sides. Then you have another two up here, these two. I'm going to be putting 3mm nuts on each one as well. But I really like how it's coming together. This is a really good design, really good design. So let's carry on.